And there you go, our show officially started. A round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bennett.
Flag racing bird. Flag racing bird.
So hello everyone! Mayong hapon sa tanan, welcome to Ocean Park Sambi Theater. My name is Nex and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next featured birds are just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. And today they will battle it over who's the best in basketball game. Alright, so with trainer Vince, we have Blue, and with trainer Andre, that's Azul. Now before I start this friendly battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now all the boys will cheer for Blue. Say, go Blue, go Blue. Alright, and for the girls, let me hear you cheer for Azul. Say, go Azul, go Azul. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game? Again, louder, are you guys ready for the basketball game? Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Let's go first. So first ball by both birds. Second ball for both birds, and for the last ball, Blue wins this game. That's right, Azul. So trainer Andre, you lose this game. What can you say?
Holy Trainer Vince, we want another race.
We want another race.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again? Well, this time I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
So what race you have in mind?
So we suggest a ring race. The mechanics of this game is which bird can drop all three rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. And that's the ring race.
Alright, so our ring race is